Hello everyone and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look on the today's news for Euro and USD today. We are having multiple news, but the major high impact news is at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around this time since it could be a high volatile and high spread area. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low right here. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this point over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle here. Making this a strong zone of reaction, the price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So there is nothing more to see into the monthlies, let's move to the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart we are having and we can clearly see an order flow being respected in the market, and currently we are having this unmitigated candle which was responsible for the bearish move into the market. So currently the market swept this swing low and moved into the upside direction. So what do we have here is accumulated equal highs and this unmitigated candle. So most likely I'll be anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, taking these highs and then move into the either side. So now let's move to the dailies. So this is the daily chart and this was the last order flow being respected by the market. The price disrespected this order flow and moved into the upside direction, making this a flip zone. The price is reacting within the flip zone right now and we are having this area where the candle had taken the low of this candle with the body close. So most likely I'll be treating it as a flip zone of the higher time frame into the bearish side. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart and the price has reacted from this wick which was unmitigated. The 50% of the wick was the reaction point for the market and currently we are having this BPR right here and the higher time frame flip zone. We are also having FVG into the 4 hours. So I'm anticipating the price to respect this FVG and then move into the upside direction towards this BPR and respect this flip zone. So now let's move to the 1 hour. But before that, if you are liking the analysis so far, please consider liking and subscribing this channel since I upload daily analysis video for Euro USD. So let's move to the 1 hours. So this is the 1 hour chart and we are having FVG into the 1 hour too along with the liquidity resting just above the FVG. So I'll be anticipating the price to move into the downward direction, respect this FVG and then move into the upside direction. So now let's move to the 15 minutes directly. This is the 15-minute chart and we are having session, that is Asia session. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction, respect this FVG of the higher time frame and then move into the upside direction. So most likely I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia sessions low and then move into the upside direction. So this is pretty much it. Do consider liking and subscribing this channel if you like the analysis. Thank you for watching.